Hello, I'm Jose with FrSky North America, and today I would like to introduce our Pilot Gear Controller. This device allows for easy setup of retracts, gear doors, steering, and brakes. This system is designed for turbine and larger planes that use electric retracts, gear doors, and brakes. This will work with most electric retract and electric brake systems that use the two-wire style retracts and electric brakes. Overview and features. The Pilot Gear Controller can be independently powered, or you can use the PGC to power your system. The PGC has 3 independent voltage regulators for brakes, retracts, and door/steering. It is compatible with FrSky radio systems or other brand radio systems with its F-bus, S-bus, and PWM inputs. It has built-in display and controls for on-the-unit programming or through your FrSky radio through the PGC Lua script. The steering gyro is selectable between heading hold mode and stabilized mode depending on user preference. The brake function is variable when using a pot or a slider to control the brake. Gyro control can also be enabled for the brake function. Okay, let's take a closer look at the different systems within the PGC. The FrSky PGC has a very robust and flexible power system. Voltage is adjustable for the 3 independent systems inside the PGC. The brake system, retract system, and the door system each have their own voltage regulators, or BECs, that can be adjusted between 6 volts and 12 volts. The PGC can also be used to power your receiver on smaller systems, or your receiver and the PGC can be powered separately on larger planes depending on power requirements. The battery used to power the PGC can be anywhere from a 2S all the way up to a 14S battery. But remember, in order for the voltage regulators to properly adjust power, the voltage of your batteries needs to be higher than what you set the individual BECs or voltage regulators to inside the unit. Control methods and system compatibility. The Pilot Gear Controller can be used with the FrSky radio systems as well as other manufacturers' radio system. When used with the FrSky radio system, the PGC supports F-bus protocol. F-bus also gives you the ability to program the PGC directly through the radio screen. S-bus is for use with other radio systems that support the S-bus protocol, or individual PWM connections to work with any radio system. The door system. The PGC can control 1 door servo channel per retract. To adjust the endpoints of each door channel, simply scroll to the door you want to adjust and do the calibration. In this example, I'll calibrate the nose door open position. Enter the calibrate mode. Hit one of the arrows. The door will start closing or opening. If it's going the wrong way, press the other arrow. Once the door is fully open, press the same button again. The PGC will then record that value and save it as the open value. Repeat the process for the door close calibrate, and then for the other doors, and you are done. The retract system. The retract system is designed for electric retracts using 2 wires to control the retracts. These types of retracts rely on current to sense when the retracts are fully retracted or deployed. The PGC allows for adjustable voltage to tailor to your retract system. Also, the PGC controller has the ability to adjust the current limit, so the PGC is compatible with the majority of electric retract systems available today. The adjustment of the current limit is easy with the auto calibrate system. Just enter the gear calibrate mode. Cycle your gear by pressing the up or down arrow. When the gear reaches full travel, press the button again. The PGC automatically records the maximum current for each retract and saves it to memory. The calibration of the retract system is that easy. The nose wheel steering system is very powerful. You have the option of choosing gyro in heading hold mode, stabilization mode, or gyro disabled. You also have the ability to adjust steering trim, gyro direction, and travel limits. The brake system. When controlled with a slider or a pot, brake force is variable. Brakes also have the option to be gyro controlled. With the brake velocity option, You can also program a soft application of the brakes where it gradually applies more brakes based on time. This is useful if you use a switch to control the brakes. Another great feature, you can apply a brake force to stop the wheels from rotating when the gear is up. The amount of brake force is obviously adjustable. This is just a brief summary of the new Pilot Gear Control system. I'll be making a video which covers a complete installation and setup of the system coming soon. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on this video or email me at jose@FrSky-rc.com. Thank you for watching and have a good day.